Hi boys and girls, today we're going to practice pretending that we can think and feel what a character in our book thinks and feels. And to do that, we're going to start with Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Now we've read this story before, so we know all about Goldilocks and we know about the Three Bears. We know that Mama made some porridge, but it was too hot, so when they went for a walk, a little girl named Goldilocks came to see their house. But we also know that she got all into their stuff. She even broke some things. We know she tasted their porridge, tried their chairs, tried their beds. Then she fell asleep in their beds, and when the bears came home, oh no, they were not happy. So now, boys and girls, we're going to use Goldilocks and we're going to use the bears and we're going to think, I wonder what they're thinking. I wonder what they're feeling. So first we're going to start with Goldilocks. And to pretend that I'm Goldilocks and to get my mind ready, I'm going to put on a bow because Goldilocks was wearing a bow. So this helps me remember that I'm pretending to be Goldilocks. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to think, what was Goldilocks thinking in our story? So I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to pretend that I'm her, and I'm going to see, what am I thinking? Hi, I'm Goldilocks, and when I went to the bear's house, I was just thinking about, what does their house look like? Do they live like me? And I was just thinking that I wanted to try their stuff. The next thing that you can do is you can think about how Goldilocks feels. Now we know our feelings are when we feel happy or sad or confused or scared. So we're going to use our heart to think about, how did Goldilocks feel in our story? So now I'm going to pretend that I'm Goldilocks again, and I'm going to think, what do I feel? Hi, I'm Goldilocks, and I was feeling very curious about the bear's house, and I was so excited to find all of their stuff. Ooh, and a little nervous when I broke it. Great job, boys and girls. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to think, how do the bears feel and how do the bears think? Now I didn't have any bear ears to put on, but I did cut some out so I can just pretend that I'm a bear. Now, I don't have a way to put those in my hair, so you'll have to pretend with me. But right now we're going to think about the bears. And specifically, I'm going to think about Papa Bear. I'm Papa Bear. So I'm going to take a minute and I'm going to see, what did Papa Bear think in the story? I'm Papa Bear. Who came in my house? Who ate my porridge? Who slept in my bed? I am thinking, why would someone do this? Who would come into my house? I am not happy. Now, boys and girls, we're going to think, what did Papa Bear feel? So we're going to get out our heart. I'm feeling frustrated, I'm feeling angry, and I'm feeling confused. Why would someone do this? Now, boys and girls, when you get to read your story, you can pick any character that you want, and you can think and feel just like them. So I like to use my thought bubble to remind me to think about what they're thinking, and I use my heart to feel what they're feeling. So what I want you to do is, you can either dress up or you can draw a picture of your character, and I want you to tell me, what does that character think in the story? What does that character feel in the story? Don't forget to send it to me. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye.